What's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, click the link, ring the bell, smash the like button. All right, I'm gonna talk about owner finance deals and why you should consider owner finance deals. Now, one, a lot of people who don't have the money to put down the big, large down payment, owner finance deals are the way to go. Most owner finance deals will have different type of clauses in those finance deals. Now, you have to be careful with owner finance deals because if you don't make the payment or if you get behind on the payment, then the owner can immediately take possession of the property. That's one con. But overall, owner financing deals are a great way for you to enter the real estate market. It doesn't go against your credit report. It doesn't go on your credit. Also, the owner of the property may be more willing to work with you on financing the deal. Now, a lot of times, these owner finance deals have high interest rates. The interest rates are very high. Now, when you are financing a deal, you want to make sure that the paperwork says and is accurate. You still want to go through the process of financing a deal as if you were buying a regular home. So you still will want to get a title search, you still will want to get title insurance, and you still want to do all of these things and do your due diligence on the property. Don't just get the property because it's a good deal and it's working for your favor, because it is an owner finance deal. Now, owner finance properties, like I said before, are a great way to enter the market. It's a great way for you to start real estate investing. Now, you can flip these properties. These properties can be flipped as well. So if you run across a great deal and you just want to flip it, you can flip the property. Make sure that the owner has put in the terms of the contract that there are no prepayment penalties. So I just wanted to dish out some of that knowledge, some of that info that you probably could use in the future when it comes down to your real estate goals. Peace.